A very good morning to all. Today we are here to have the group discussion on topic advertisement is legalized way of lying. Advertisement can be of two forms, digital and printed. Advertisement is an effective way of promoting sales of a brand or company. There are strict rules, regulations, guidelines, laws, and presence of consumer awareness and protection organizations. But still, many people are making use of advertising as a means of lying to a consumer in a legalized way.
Adding to your point,
The purpose
Agirani,
of
very strict rules, regulations. Despite of them, people are making the misuse of advertisement. Recently, many scams have been reported, such as the edible oil thing. In edible oils, in spite of the non-vegetarian ingredients, they have been promoted as a veg product, and they have been reported, but no action has been taken against them. So it can also cope up religious matters and which needs to be looked at.
I agree that lying is. I want to add to this point. I agree that lying is in advertisement is bad, but it is not always harmful. Like we can take example of Maggie. We know that we cannot cook it in 2 minutes, but it is lying, yes. But it is not harmful to its customer. And most of the company, most reputed company, do not even lie about their product.
Adding to Shekhar's point, we know that not all forms of advertisement are false. There are companies claiming that they can change the color tone of a human being, but that are false. But there are a few forms of advertisement, such as YouTube videos, where YouTubers uh, they themselves use the products and place their reviews to the consumers. That are the genuine form of advertisement.
So we can also say that some advertisement can be a key to successful brand promotion. This is why advertisers and marketing teams focus on promoting correct information about the product. Such as Amul ad, the famous Amul girl, even convey valuable commentary on relevant social, political, and economic topics.
Some of the advantages of advertisements are TV reaches out to a much larger audience than local newspapers and radio stations, and so it does it during a short period of time. It reaches viewers when they are more attentive. It allows you to convey your messages with sight, sound, and motion, which can give your product, business, or service instant credibility. It also gives you opportunity to be creative and attach a personality to your business, which can be particularly effective for small businesses that rely on repeat customers.
The purpose of advertisement was to make consumers aware of all the choices they have for any given product. Advertising has been a very productive and helpful tool for all the businesses. But now the scenario has changed. Advertising has become the art of convincing people to spend money for something they don't need. Companies are making use of advertisement to make fake claims about their products. For example, nowadays, as per the advertisements, every product can boost your immunity, even oils and soaps.
There are certain advertisement laws which have been followed for lying anything in advertisement. In Indian government, they have had a certain laws which can help, and we can case against them if they are lying in certain advertisement. It is okay to lie at a certain point to convince people, but it's not okay to lie to make them fool or make them disbelieve or manipulate them.
That
I
the
agree to
basic
what Khalid
ideology of
said.
advertisement and the basic ideology of advertisement is to make people aware of the goods and services available in the market so that the consumers can compare the similar products available from various companies and choose the right product. But as Khalid said that yes, there are a few uh, misleading advertisements that brainwash the person and uh, expect the consumers to buy the goods and services which are not required by them.
So I think that customer have to see the product and get reviews about product before using it, because there are some products which are not that important for people in their daily life. So
Public opinion is a powerful force in the making of the government. So in today's world, it is in the hands of the people if we want to buy their products or not. we should do complete research about that, and then we should consider it if we have to buy it or not.
Yeah, I would like to add to Rahul's point. As you all can see, pesticides for poor farmers don't have the facility of mobile or TV, but advertising for pesticides for them is a really good thing because they can now grow crops which usually would be destroyed due to weather or some insects. But at the same time, these pesticides are also being used in some aerated cold drinks, which the companies do not advertise, due to which teenagers tend to drink more because of the taste and because of the advertisements. And some celebrities also advertise these drinks for their own purposes, which they usually don't consume themselves, but due to advertisement, teenagers tend to consume them more, due to which can lead them to unwanted risks of health and unhealthy habits.
I would like to what Mook said. As we know, there are many green tea ads that shows that within few weeks time a person can lose weight or can become fit. But in reality, it takes much more time. I agree that they are encouraging to have that green tea, but at the same time, making false promises of quicker results is also wrong.
I would like to add to the Abhirami's point. As you know, the certain mobile which came in a market which was known as Freedom 251, it claimed that it will release the mobile at rupees 251. It had a very good and promotion and advertisement company. But according to me, it was a lie because everybody got fooled and they paid the money for themselves.
I would like to add to this point. Like there is already a law for fraud and scam, and 251 was a fraud and scam, so government took action accordingly.
I think due to such tough competition, the way of lying is, increasing day by day. Uh, yes, I'm totally agreeing to Shekhar's point. Government should take action because everybody wants to show their products the best, so they keep on lying. It should be looked out.
And I think that in this COVID situation, so many products are, we have so many products to prevent the coronavirus, like sanitizers or washing, some spray or some, like, but companies are launching extra products, so people have to spend more money on it. So
I think company are using fear of corona to sell their product, and that is very bad for as in country and for consumer also. Government should surely take action for this.
Okay, guys, since we are short of time, let's just conclude our points. So creativity is an important aspect of designing any ad or commercial, but regulatory authorities should ensure that modern day advertising should not twist or distort fads. This is the key to ensuring that ad campaigns create a powerful impact and do not mislead their consumers.
Yeah.